Rolling and action.
Listen.
Yeah?
I don't think I can do this.
Can't do what?
I need a crew for something like this.
I'm your crew.
I can't do it.
I don't think you appreciate the trouble I went through to give you good stuff here today.
I do, I really do.
Then what's the problem?
Problem is...
What? Problem is what?
I think you have the wrong idea about me.
Don't tell me that. No.
I'm not.
Not what? You're not what?
I'm not the iron anchor you think I am.
I saw you do your stand-up. The girl was burning 3 feet in front of you.
Then I guess you don't know. I was treated for shock after that. I wasn't being a pro. I went into automatic pilot and talked into the microphone, not to hear myself screaming in my hat. I didn't snap out of it until I vomited on myself. Next thing I know, the industry shoved an award in my face. I'd trade it all if I could get the smell of her burnt flesh out of my nostrils. I wish to God I had at least tried to put out the fire. But I just stood there with the other gaping morons. I made hay on the life of a girl who gave herself utterly and honestly. Every day of my life, I hear her shrieking. Not from the agony of the fire, but because her lover deserted her. You never intended to immolate yourself, did you? You set her up, just like you did with Martin.
Leave us alone for a while.